Well, welcome back to the international headquarters of BBozak Woodworking and Apollo, a dog. Today we're starting a whole new section of the barn. You can see I've got some 8-foot 8x8s on here. Watch out, Apollo. And we have 4 of them here. And we have 4 of these 8x8 12-footers. And we're going to start the process of building this wall and the end wall. And so this one is a whole lot easier on this side because there's absolutely nothing, no dividers or anything in this all the way to the end of the barn. So it's really just one long wall and that short wall down there. So that's what we're going to get started on, and hopefully we'll get a bunch of timbers cut today. So stick around. Yeah. There's number 1. Actually, this is 4, 8, 12. This is number 13. And we have 3 more to go. All right, there's the next one. 2 more to go. All right, that's the last. This is the last post for the entire barn. They've all been made. I was hoping to get it done last night, but we keep getting like 2 inches of rain every day, and I got it all but these last 2 mortises done last night, and I got rained out. So I've got to actually change this mortise size, and then the next step is to start working on these 12-footers beams that span between the 2 walls. So that's the next step. I'll get through those 4 today. Those are pretty easy. And then the last beams on this level are the top plates. So getting there, finally seeing some progress. It's rained so much and the barn is just soaked. You know, you have a roof over that third of the barn, but the wind has just been blowing the rain in, and yeah, I just can't wait to get a complete roof on this place. But that's what we're working towards, a complete roof, and it's gonna happen. Hopefully, it's like almost the 1st of August, so I'm really hoping by the end of August, in the next 4 weeks, to have a roof on this place. And at that point I can start. People have been asking, how's the house coming along? Well, the house nothing's happened on the house until I get the barn roof on. So hopefully in 4 weeks I get to start work back on the house. So if that's what you're interested in, is work videos about the house, well, you're gonna have to wait at least a month before I start posting videos of that. So, but hopefully you stick around and watch the end of the barn build. Oh, the wind's you're probably catching all the wind. Anyway, we had a lot of visitors again, but I managed to get all of these these plates done. These not plates, these are just beams. And I'm starting to work on the 2 20-foot long top plates. Yesterday, I only got half of the top plate done. You can see I got the scarf. I got all of the mortises done on it. And I have decided I'm going to do pre-drill for all of the pins right now, which I didn't do on the last wall. I drilled all of those in place, but so I'm gonna goal today is to get this top plate all cut and mortised, and go over to where I dropped off all the posts are over there, and I'm going to actually drag those in and drill all of those holes as well. So hopefully I get all that done, and then where are we here? Somewhere over here there's a whole bunch of 4x4s. I'm going to cut those and make up wind braces today, and then I'll be in good shape hopefully tomorrow to assemble that wall, the last wall of the barn. So I don't know, that's a lot to do. Tomorrow's our anniversary, and I'm gonna try to get that done, go golfing, and then go out to dinner. So we'll see. Anyways, there are priorities. All right, hold on. today we're going to assemble this half of the barn. I got some people to help, which is wonderful. They don't mind being on camera, which is even better. So I'm going to set you up for the time lapse and film all of this. I decided to assemble this wall piece by piece. It seemed like it seemed like the right thing to do because I didn't have enough people to assemble this whole wall or this bent and tip it up, and it worked out good for 3 of us to put it up piece by piece. Nothing I can do, I can't help you.
Why not hand me a paint on it?
Yeah. How about that one while you're there?
Okay.
I'll hold the ladder for you.
Yep, no problem. Get you here. That would ruin your day. There's a day for here.
Let's see, did that one get done?
Nope.
We can do that one on the outside, and I'll help you.
Give me another peg. Tell me, I'll hit this.
We'll,
Thank you, sir.
I'll hold
The level. So, yeah, we didn't do anything from the outside. Got it.
come on in here. Paula's laughing at you.
Yeah,
She's laughing her ass You want to put in a connector, or it's kind of wiggly? To put in this piece above us first
yeah, we will need that.
before we start.
Before we do any more.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you're good there.
Yeah, you didn't do that one yet, did you?
No, I thought I did.
Oh, you did? Okay. Okay.
No.
Can I use that for a
Do you want me
second?
to wait on that one?
No, you did do that, don't you?
Okay. You want to put that in and wait?
I just had to look through.
You can put that in, but I gotta hammer this down. plumbing lathe man? So what's 100% of nothing? Double that.
Right. Would you like that on account or just on account? I'm not giving it to you.
How's it look, Tillman?
Much better. Almost there. Got a 1/4 inch. All right, the beam is all the way in.
Yeah.
All right.
This brace has a little bit to go.
Well, do you want to check those braces
Let me
first?
go down and look at them.
Yeah.
I gotta move the forks down. The forks are holding it up.
Yep, I'll get out of the way.
Yeah. I think we can just get this out of here right now.
Perfect. Now I think you can come down.
You coming down?
No. Yeah, it is. Keep going.
Yep.
Yeah, it's just bouncing, ain't it?
It is.
Nothing.
Yeah. No, it's going.
Oh, it's going.
Now it's going. Yeah, you got it. You got it. You got it. That's what it needed. Some splaining.
Go away more often.
Yeah, I think so.
Excellent, Paul. Looks good.
Good?
Yep. All right.
No, but you have to edit that one. Wait a minute.
I never get to film because I'm always doing it.
Don't make me look uncoordinated.
Nice. Perfect. That's a wrap.
Okay.
All right, after 2 hours, this is what we ended up with. Hopefully you can see this. Got this all assembled. This wall is perfectly straight, looks awesome. Everything's plumb and level. We only had one minor injury. These joints all look really good, so I'm thrilled. This is the part of the barn where the tractor's going to live, and down here is shaving storage, and we're going to put the Kawasaki mule in there if we ever can get that thing to run correctly. So 2 hours and 3 people, went really well. It's all pegged and everything. Took me 5 hours on the other side to do it by myself. The next step is to work on rafters in the roof and resaw a bunch of cants into boards for a roofing. So that's it for this video. Hopefully I caught something interesting, and hopefully you think the content is worth watching. All right, thanks again. See you later.